So you may want to change pointer size because sometimes, well, it may be too small, but you can actually change it and it is very easy. First things first, you want to go to settings. To go to settings, you can go to the dock, or you can also go to the Apple logo and then click on system settings right over here. Click on it. On the left, you have the sidebar, and by default you're in general, but you want to go to accessibility. In accessibility, again, you have a lot of options, but in vision, we want to go to display right over here. Click on it, and then again, don't get overwhelmed with the options. Don't worry about it. Just scroll down till you see pointer. Under pointer, you can see we have pointer size. So we can make the pointer very large. So I just keep it at a normal size or the default size that it came in, or you can also increase the size ever so little depending on what your preference is. Secondly, you have an option to shake mouse pointer to locate. So how does this work? So I'm using a trackpad. If you're using a mouse, everything, the process is going to be the same. If I rapidly shake or if I rapidly move the trackpad or move my finger on the trackpad, you can see the mouse size or the pointer size has increased a lot. Or the pointer thing is also very useful, especially if you want to make a point that this is right, you are wrong, something like that. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.